Hey everybody, it's Mr. Whump from UME Academy, and this is another episode of Game Review Showdown, where I play a popular video game, then I make my own game at UME Academy's Creator Club, then I decide which game I like best. This episode we're going to take a look at Super Auto Pets. For the past few weeks I've been playing spooky games as we built up to Halloween, but to be honest, it was rough on my nerves, and I needed something a little more chill this week. And Super Auto Pets was the perfect choice. You move at your own pace as you build up your team of adorable animals, and then send them off to fight other players' teams of adorable animals. Everything about Super Auto Pets is laid back. The battles are automated and based on stats, so there's really not a lot of tension when you're actually in a match. The animations are minimal, the music is quite soothing, and the whole thing plays out without ever becoming too frantic or frenzied. You can upgrade your pets, get them adorable hats, and customize your arena. It's a very simple yet addictive game that never pretends to be something that it isn't, so I have to give Super Auto Pets a thumbs up. Now it's time for me to go into creator mode. I want to build my own battling pet game over at UME's Creator Club. My game's going to be kind of a tower defense game, except instead of defending towers, you're going to be defending donuts. Donuts. So delicious. Sorry I got carried away. Anyway, if the enemies eat my donut, I lose the game. I'll throw some other treats in here too, just to slow the enemies down. And my treats will be protected by my favorite pet of all. No, not a cute little puppy or kitten. It's a chicken. Hey, that looks just like my pet chicken, Judy. I'm going to call them Judy 1 and Judy 2. But these aren't just ordinary chickens. These are chickens that shoot laser beams. And the enemies are going to be wolves that are constantly jumping out of these spawners. The challenge will be that I can only fire one laser at a time using these levers, so I'll have to constantly be switching back and forth. I'll use the switch trigger to make those work. It tickles. If I can last for 1 minute, I win the game. Let's give it a try. Nice shooting, Judy 1 and Judy 2. Take that, you rotten wolves. Oh no, they got my apple. And they got my ice pop. They got my donut. Hold on, let's try this again. Keep going, Judies. Chicken attack! Yeah, we did it. Now it's showdown time. Which game did I like best? Super Auto Pets was super cute, super fun, and super chill. I got nothing bad to say about this game. It was what it was, and it was fun. My game was fun too. And I had a cute little chicken in it, I had some wolves, and I had donuts. So I pick my game because it was fun and because I made it. You can make your own games over at UME Academy's Creator Club. Come on and check it out. I can't wait to see what you'll make. Like and subscribe. See you next time.